The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is an absolute game-changer for urban commuting and outdoor adventures. This bike combines power, convenience, and portability, making it an enticing option for anyone looking to ditch traditional transportation methods. In this detailed review, I will explore its features, performance, design, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Performance. At the heart of this e-bike is a robust 1000W motor, delivering impressive torque and acceleration. With the capability to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, this bike truly caters to those who appreciate a thrill. The pedal assist feature enhances your riding experience by giving you a boost as you pedal, which is particularly beneficial when tackling steep hills or when you want to keep pace with traffic. The performance is nothing short of exhilarating, offering a seamless transition between manual and electric riding. The 48V 20AH removable battery is another highlight of this bike. It provides a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on your riding style and conditions. This means you can comfortably take long rides without the anxiety of running out of power. The removable feature is particularly advantageous, allowing you to charge the battery separately from the bike, a convenience that is often overlooked but essential for daily users. Design and build quality. The folding design of this electric bike is a standout feature. Weighing approximately 60 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. When folded, it becomes compact enough to fit in the trunk of a car or in smaller living spaces, making it ideal for people who live in apartments or have limited storage. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, providing durability while keeping the weight manageable. Additionally, the bike's aesthetic is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide range of riders. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for a customizable fit, which is essential for comfort during long rides. The inclusion of a large LCD display is also noteworthy. It provides real-time information about speed, distance, battery life, and assistance level, which adds to the overall riding experience. Comfort and ride quality. Riding comfort is paramount for any bike, and this folding electric bike excels in that regard. The design incorporates a front suspension fork that smooths out bumps and vibrations, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The wide, cushioned seat further enhances this comfort, allowing for longer rides without discomfort. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, the bike delivers reliable stopping power, which is crucial when reaching higher speeds. The braking system is responsive, instilling confidence to riders of all skill levels. The bike's tires are designed for both city streets and off-road trails, making it versatile enough for various riding conditions. User experience. Using this electric bike is straightforward, which is especially beneficial for newcomers to electric biking. The intuitive controls make it easy to switch between the different assistance levels and to monitor your speed and battery life. Additionally, the bike is relatively easy to assemble, with most users reporting that they can get it ready to ride in under an hour. Charging the battery is also a breeze. It typically takes around 6 to 8 hours to fully charge. For those who plan to use the bike for commuting, this means you can charge it overnight and be ready to go in the morning. Value for money. Priced competitively for its features, the 1000W folding electric bike offers exceptional value for money. When compared to other e-bikes on the market, especially those with similar specifications, this model stands out due to its robust performance, impressive range, and portability. The durability and quality of components further justify the investment. Conclusion. The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or embark on recreational rides. Its powerful motor, impressive range, and convenient folding design make it a top contender in the electric bike market. With thoughtful design elements that prioritize